Hi there! For assembling a monster truck like this one, first of all we need a frame. It's common for monster trucks to have shocks on both the rear and front suspension. Now let's put on the wheels and keep in mind they must be bigger than the usual ones. A seat for the driver, a steering wheel for the cab, a door and a rear fender. Now let's put on the rest of the parts. An exhaust pipe, a bumper, mufflers, grille, windows and windshield. When assembled, monster truck can run long distances. We call it a monster truck as it is big in size and has huge tyres. The truck can run up and over man-made barriers. It is nearly unstoppable. It sometimes breaks laws and followed by police cars. This is illegal, of course, but anyway. Pity, I think it is not going to be caught. We've got a puncture here, but we can fix it. This is a pump. It will help us to force air into the tyre. Done, but it is already late.